Good morning, children. Welcome to the English class. All of you, open your textbook, page number 77. So, today let us start our new lesson. I want to quit the ICS. Before going through the lesson, children, there is a pre-reading task. So, let us remember some of our great leaders. They have given 5 questions. By answering those 5 questions, let us remember those great national leaders. So, these questions are for your homework, children. So, in this lesson, here Subhash Chandra Bose, he writes a letter to Deshabandhu Chittaranjan Das. So, the heading of the lesson itself says, I want to quit the ICS. Subhash Chandra Bose, he has done ICS, he has passed ICS, and he was working under the Align rule. He was working under the foreign rule. So our country India before 1947 was ruled by Britishers. So after the great hard work of many freedom fighters, our country became free from the Britishers. So children, here in this lesson, Subhash Chandra Bose is writing a letter to Deshabandhu Chittaranjan Das to seek advice what he has to do after quitting the ICS. Subhash Chandra Bose, he was not interested in working under the Align rule, so he wanted to quit this ICS and he wanted to join the freedom movement. So, what are his ideas and what are the suggestions of Deshabandhu Chittaranjan Das? He wanted to know that, so he writes a letter seeking advice what he has to do after quitting the ICS, and also he gives some of his ideas for the freedom movement. So children, let us go through the lesson now. Subhash Chandra Bose, whom we call Netaji, left India in 1919 for England with a promise to his father that he would appear for the Indian Civil Services examination. He was selected in his first attempt, but he did not want to work under the Align rule. He resigned his civil service post and jumped into the freedom movement. He became an active member of the Congress. He was elected president of the Congress in 1938. In this letter, Bose seeks the advice of Deshabandhu Chittaranjan Das, who was undisputed leader of the Congress at that time, about what he should do after quitting the job. So, Subhash Chandra Bose, we call him as Netaji. So, he left India in 1919 for England by promising his father that he would appear in Indian Civil Service examination. As he promised, he appeared for the Indian Civil Service examination and he was selected in his first attempt. But he did not wish to work under Align rule, that is foreign rule. So, what he did, he resigned his civil service post and he joined the freedom movement. In those days, Gandhiji, he followed non-violence method for the freedom of our country, but Subhash Chandra Bose, he formed INA, Indian National Army, and he wanted to fight against the Britishers to free our country. He became Subhash Chandra Bose and also became an active member of the Congress, and he was elected as the president of Congress in 1938. So, in this letter, Bose he seeks advice of Deshabandhu Chittaranjan Das. Advice means salah. He seeks advice of Deshabandhu Chittaranjan Das, who was undisputed. Undisputed means undoubted leader, who was very much efficient leader of the Congress at that time, about what he should do after quitting the job. So, we'll go through the lesson, children. The Union Society, Cambridge, 16th February 1921. So, Subhash Chandra Bose, he is writing a letter from the Union Society, Cambridge on 16th February 1921. Sir, my name is Subhash Chandra Bose. I am probably a stranger to you, but you will perhaps recognize me if I tell you who I am. I am writing this letter to you on a very important matter, but before I come to business, I must first prove my sincerity. Therefore, I shall first introduce myself. So, in the first paragraph, Subhash Chandra Bose, he is telling that he is a stranger to what? Deshabandhu Chittaranjan Das. And Deshabandhu Chittaranjan Das would recognize him if he tell who he was. And he is Subhash Chandra Bose is telling the reason behind what writing this letter to Deshabandhu Chittaranjan Das. So he is writing this letter on a very important matter. Before he explains what matter he is writing about in this letter, he wanted to prove his sincerity. So, he will first introduce himself to Deshabandhu Chittaranjan Das. My father, Mr. Janakinath Bose, is a practicing advocate at Cuttack. So, Subhash Chandra Bose's father, Janakinath, was an advocate in Cuttack. One of my elder brothers, Mr. Sharath Chandra Bose, is a barrister of Calcutta High Court. In 1919, I passed the BA examination and got a first class in honors. So, Subhash Chandra Bose, he will introduce himself as he is the son of Mr. Janakinath Bose, who is a practicing advocate at Cuttack. And also one of his elder brother Sharath Chandra is a barrister of Calcutta High Court. He tells that he had passed BA examination in 1919 and he got first class in honors. I arrived here in 1919 in the month of October. I passed the civil service examination in August 1920 and secured the 4th place. In June this year, I shall take the examination in moral science at Tripos. The same month, I shall get the BA degree here. So, Subhash Chandra Bose, he is telling that he went to Cambridge in 1919 in the month of October. There he passed his civil service examination in 1920 and he secured 4th place in civil service examination. And also in June he is going to take the examination in moral science Tripos. Tripos means a set of examination children. So he is going to take what? Moral science examination. And in the same month he will get his BA degree also. Now I shall come to business. I have no desire at all to enter government service. I want to quit the ICS. I know very well that if after quitting the service I plunge into national work with determination, I shall have plenty of work to do, like teaching at the National College that you have established in Calcutta, writing and publishing books and newspaper or papers, organizing village society, spreading education among the people, etc. So, in this paragraph, Subhash Chandra Bose, he is explaining for what reason he has written the letter. He tells that he doesn't have any wish to enter the government service, to enter the government work. He wants to quit the ICS, and after quitting the ICS, he wants to give his service to the national work with great determination, with all willpower. He wanted to work for the nation. So he knows that he has plenty of work to do, like teaching at a national college. So the national college at Calcutta was published by Deshabandhu Chittaranjan Das. So he wanted to teach in that college, and also he wanted to write and publish many books and newspapers to spread awareness of the freedom to the citizens of our country. So he had many writing and publishing books and newspapers also. He wanted to organize a village society so that people can get together to fight against the British. He wanted to spread education among the common people. So during those days, children, many people were illiterate. So he wanted to spread education for each and every common people also. So in the next paragraph, I would like to know what works you may be able to allot to me in this great program of national service. Of education and intelligence I have but little, but I believe I have the enthusiasm of youth as regards my education. I have read something of philosophy because that was my honors subject in Calcutta, and I am doing the same subject in my tripos here. Thanks to the civil service examination, I have had an all-round education up to a certain standard in economics, political science, English, law, Sanskrit, and geography. So, in this paragraph, he is telling that he would like to know what works he would allot to me. Allot to me means what works he would give to him if he joins this great program of national service. He also tells that he has a little bit of education and intelligence, and also he believes that he has a great enthusiasm of a youth. Okay, he has means a strong feeling or interest. He has an interest like youth. Okay, youth, how they will be interested in each and every field, na? So in the same way, Subhash Chandra Bose also, he is very much interested to join the civil service. and he is telling about his education that he has read something about philosophy because it was his honor subject. Honor subject means a specialized university graduate degree. Okay, so he had a honor subject, philosophy was his honor subject in Calcutta, and he is doing what same in tripos also. In philosophy only he is writing set of examinations, and also he is thanking to civil service examination because it gave him all round education up to certain standard, up to some extent. It gave him civil service examination, it gave him knowledge in economics, political science, English, law, Sanskrit and geography. Next paragraph, children. I desire to give up the service with clear cut plans. If I can do that, I shall not have to spend time not knowing what to do. I shall be able to enter the field of work immediately. So in this paragraph, Subhash Chandra Bose is telling that he wished to quit this ICS, Indian Civil Service, with clear cut plans, with clear and well defined plans, because after quitting the ICS he must not be in confusion that what he has to do, what work he has to do and what he should not do, so that after quitting his examination he will spend his time properly with a proper plan. And also he wanted to enter the field, enter the national work, enter the freedom movement immediately after quitting the what ICS, children. So next paragraph. I am now in a sense a government servant because I am now ICS probationer. I did not dare to write